Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can keep AOL mail from going to spam and how you can stop it as well. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to AOL Mail. After you go to AOL Mail, make sure you do have your account. Log into your account and you will see this type of interface. Now you can go to spam over here. You can see that the files which AOL Mail detects as unnecessary or unsafe will go to spam, and you can also send mails to spam yourself. So you can see if you click on the mail and go to spam or click on spam, it will head to the spam folder over here. So click on spam folder, and to keep the AOL mail from going to spam, you should go ahead and click on not spam over here, and no longer the mail will go to the spam. You can undo this anytime. You can go to the mail section, reload it, and you can see some of the mails has been retrieved back from spam. So you can go ahead and do this process once again if you want to send this to spam, and it will go ahead, and you can see the spam folder will have new mails. To not spam this, go ahead and click on this, and there you go. This is how you keep AOL mail from going on spam. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.